Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something a little different, but it actually has everything to do with all of the other topics I talk about. So I've had a ton of people ask me about investing in cryptocurrencies, trading Forex, and investing in stocks over the years. And one, I am willing to share with you guys the profitable things that I have invested in. I believe my account is up like over 300%, and I don't know, I think about 8 different apps that I use to invest on. But yeah, I never got around to doing a live call for you guys. I am still willing to do that, but I just need to find the time to put the information together for you guys. But I thought, in the meantime, why not tell you some valuable knowledge that really helped me along the way? So, number one, I'm going to talk about 3 apps that I recommend using. Webull, I would say, is really great. Now, if you're a brand new investor, it might be kind of tricky for you to understand how this particular app works. However, I know that some of the other apps have some kind of sketchy third-party writing in there. They're going to be charging you more, the fees are higher, and you don't technically own your cryptocurrencies through other apps. So that's just a little bit sketchy. Sometimes apps will freeze when the market is going kind of crazy, which can really affect you, because if it's dropping and everyone's trying to sell to get out, you're not going to be able to do that because the app has that particular crypto or stock frozen. I've seen that happen with Robinhood. And then obviously you can't buy certain things because it will freeze when the market is going crazy, which is really sketchy, not okay. So Webull is a pretty good one for that, as well as Coinbase I have had for about 5 years now. Although Coinbase sometimes has security issues, I've never had any problem. You can buy, I forget what it's called, but there are programs you can buy that will put your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet for you. So it doesn't change the value of your crypto in any way. It can actually add value and just kind of let it sit there, and it's like putting it in a savings account, basically. It's going to put it in a locked, secure place until you want to sell or buy, whatever you want to do. It's not a bad idea to do that. All right. That said, if you are brand new and you don't want to invest any large amount of money, first of all, I don't recommend investing very much money. If you're taking out like 3% of your paycheck max, I would say, especially if you're brand new, don't put your entire life savings into a cryptocurrency. They are all volatile, all of them. Obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum have been around longer. There are a lot more people working on it. There's always updates, and so those coins are more stable than other coins, but the market is always going to be volatile, especially with cryptocurrency. I mean, there's just constantly new cryptos being put out there. So one may very well overtake both Ethereum and Bitcoin one day. We just don't know. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to say. The second thing, if you're going to be investing in stocks, I recommend investing in stocks that you spend money on. So, like for me, I've invested in so many different things, but just to name a couple, like Starbucks. Lots of people are constantly going to Starbucks. It's pretty much always going to be profitable. It may not be rising like extremely quickly, but if you want to be safe, it's good to invest in companies like that who you know are going to be, stable and slowly going to be accumulating more money for you. That said, obviously, cryptocurrency can really have a huge payoff, but so can some stocks. How do you choose what to invest in? How do you know? I do recommend doing your research. I do follow quite a few different people on YouTube who are reliable, knowledgeable. They do the research. That can be an easier, quicker way to research, but most people's knowledge is mostly based on opinion. So be careful who you're following, who you're listening to, and more than anything, and this is going to be some advice you never heard before, follow your intuition, because when it comes down to it, absolutely everything is made up of energy. Now, the frequency of abundance, money is a frequency. The frequency of abundance is ease, and you can align to the frequency of abundance. So, listening to money affirmations, getting in alignment with the frequency of abundance, constantly affirming that I always have money, money always comes, money loves me, money's easy, I never have any problem saving or accumulating money, money's always coming to me, I'm a money magnet. Get into the frequency of abundance, because when you do that, you're going to be able to make better decisions on what you should and shouldn't be investing in. That might sound funny, but I traded Forex for about 4 years, and what I realized was that the highest earners had a high frequency. They had alignment with the frequency of abundance. And so the trades that they would make, I mean, trading Forex is literally down to the second, right? Even maybe even less than that, because you never know. The market is constantly up and down. But the people who would profit more than others were in a good mindset. They believed that they were going to win, and what you believe becomes. So if you are in that mindset of I'm always winning, obviously you need to get a strategy down. Obviously you need to research what you're doing. But if you're in that mindset that you are always winning and you are in alignment with abundance, you're always accumulating more and more money, you're actually going to do better trading. You're going to be more confident. You're going to be listening to your own intuition, and you're going to be more easily able to attract abundance in your Forex account and in your life. And it was the same because many people who are Forex traders are also signing up people underneath them. Now, if they didn't truly believe that they were going to be profitable trading, they would not be able to talk other people into signing up with them, right? And because they're talking other people into signing up with them, they're making residual income. They're actually getting money put into their trading accounts, into their broker accounts, from the people who are signing up underneath them. So a lot of people are not aware of what's going on behind the scenes, why these people have so much money, how they got their accounts to be so big. It's not necessarily because they're more intelligent than other people. It's because of their belief and their frequency and the amount of people that they're able to sign up underneath them as well. It all comes into account. So if you genuinely believe in something, people feel that. Everything is energy. So if you're going to get into network marketing, you have to believe in what you're selling, or people will feel it and they're not going to buy it from you. You have to genuinely want to help people, and that is why a lot of Forex traders are really so inspiring. A ton of them are into law of attraction and spirituality, or they're religious in some way, and they have faith in the fact that Forex is working for them. That's why they're inspiring so many people to sign up under them. That is why they are good at trading. That's why they're positive people, and that's why their life is abundant. So that is my absolute best advice to you, is get into the frequency of abundance, and then from that place, decide if you're making Forex trades, decide what works best for you, what time feels best to be trading. Get into the frequency of abundance before you trade. Obviously, there's a little bit of strategy to that too, but it is mostly mindset. It is the same when you're going to be investing in things. Invest in things that you believe in. Like, some people maybe want to invest in Tesla. If you believe that Tesla is going to continue expanding, then invest in Tesla. But don't just invest in something because you saw your neighbor do it. Because what if your neighbor is not aligned to abundance? Like, first of all, ask yourself whose advice you're taking. If somebody is investing in, I don't know, I see people giving investment advice all the time who are broke and they don't know what they're talking about. Don't listen to them. Do not take their advice. Do your own research, follow your intuition, and then invest. And don't invest your entire life savings. Start small. It will build up. It will add up. Be patient. Definitely buy on the drop. Any market, Forex, crypto, stocks, every market, it is always going to go up and down. It's never a straight line. It's always up and down. Do not buy if you see that the market and that's when people buy, is when the market just shoots up. When all of a sudden something happens, some event happens that everyone's like, oh my God, I need to buy this cryptocurrency right now, and it just shoots up. Do not buy at the peak. Do not buy when you just saw that it shot up, because it will come back down. It's always up and down, up and down. Buy on the drops, sell on the peaks, okay? That's not what it's called, and I just can't even think of the word right now. But yeah, we sell high and we buy low. So that is my absolute best advice when it comes to investing in anything. Sell high, buy low, follow your intuition, do your research, and you will have no problem. And also be smart about it. Don't just put your entire life savings into a cryptocurrency that came out yesterday. It's not a good idea. GameStop, it's volatile. Yes, you can get lucky. Yes, you can make money off volatile things. Just be careful. Just follow your intuition and sell high and buy low. All right, I hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment below if you want me to do a more in-depth, detailed video, or if you would like to gain access to my portfolio. I am willing to send it to you for a price. Comment below or send me a message if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!